Brothers and sisters, in South Africa, our banks are regulated only on paper, not in practice. In reality, they are a financial cartel and a mafia in suits running organized exploitation in broad daylight. The only difference between banks and loan sharks is that loan sharks hide in the shadows. Banks hide behind contracts. Imagine this. You take a 20-year mortgage or bond. You pay faithfully for 18 years like a slave to the system. Then you lose your job. Not because you are lazy, but because the economy is collapsing. And what happens? Do they show mercy? Do they negotiate? Of course, no. Within days, lawyers are unleashed on you. Threatening letters arrive. Your dignity is crushed. And your house, your shelter, your children's home is taken from you. But here is the scam they never explain. From day one, your debt is insured by the bank. When you default, they claim that insurance and get paid in full. Then they repossess your house and sell it again. So who really loses? Obviously not the bank. The bank is paid and paid and paid again. The bank gets paid by the insurer, then gets paid by the new buyer. And here is the real insult. By around year 10 of your bond, your capital is already fully paid. From year 11 onward, you are paying interest only. Interest on money you already paid. That means on one asset, the bank gets paid 2, 3, sometimes 4 times over. The same applies to car finance and credit. South Africa has become a gangster paradise for financial institutions. Yes, it is legal, but legality does not equal morality. Slavery was once legal and apartheid was once legal. So don't insult us with legality. This system is evil, cruel, exploitative, and built on historical injustice. Banks were among the biggest enablers and benefactors of apartheid. They were the financial backbone of apartheid. They financed segregation and forced removal. They financed dispossession and white wealth. And they continue profiting from inequality, just in more polished language. Yet we continue supporting them unconditionally. We continue trusting them blindly. And we are shocked when they turn against us. This problem will not fix itself. Banks will never voluntarily repent, as no predator grows a conscience. That's why we must fight the system, confront it head on. We must create civic associations whose only mission is to challenge financial exploitation, expose these practices, and defend ordinary people. Because make no mistake, banks today are more powerful in your life than politics. They decide where you live, what you own, and whether your family has security or fear. And until we challenge that power, we will remain economically colonized in our own country. This isn't about hating banks. It's about stopping injustice. It's about reclaiming dignity. We will not be quiet. We will not be polite. And definitely we will not be fooled.